Okay, this isn't my standard setup because this is what I normally shoot the videos with. But I need it as the function generator. Quick and easy way to do it. So, speakers aren't working properly. Right now I'm outputting onto the left one. Oh, guess what's broken? Right there. Let's output to the right one. It's really broken. And this is a good connection in here. So yeah, that doesn't break, the power supply doesn't break. It's always these stupid little things right here. So I'm going to snip it off and replace it. But I'm testing it on my other camera, which I'll show you a picture of in a moment or two or three. So it's time to replace this with this one here. I picked these up in mailbag 15-ish a long time ago. Paid $1.63, I believe, for a total of 10 units, which means 5 of these and 5 of these. Not a bad price. It's even got a clear, I'll probably insert a picture, a clear cover so you can actually see it connecting. So let's get at it. This will probably be cut up quite a bit. I mean, edited quite a bit, because this is kind of boring. And this camera's wobbling off. So I did a quick meter on the old one. The tip is this. And there's there. So on this one, the white wire needs to go to this side. And of course the ground's down there. There, it's all soldered up. I haven't put the sleeve on it yet. Always best to test before you do that. Turn off the left, turn on the right, wiggle, works. Cost probably 30 cents to fix. Not bad. Oh, and I added an extra piece of heat shrink sleeving just to extend out where it'll break next. And there's the finished product. Good for another few years. And this is my other camera. I don't use it actually for doing any of these type shots normally, because the autofocus, I have a lot harder time with it. So, whatever video is this being attached to, continuing along.